Y'all, this is what's popping at Target. All your nice pots. So pretty. Look at that one right there. That's one style. Nice baskets. This is everything, y'all, that's happening right now at Target. That's what I have. Oh, there's the lampshades and lamps, y'all. This is beautiful. Look at there. Now look at me. I got me a container. Come to Target and check out what they got. You'll be nice. It'll be amazing. It'll be amazing. Nice artwork. You guys, this is what you look like when you love Target. I don't like the original price, but I'll take the bargains at the outlet bins. Yes. You're looking for new bedding? Target has you. All the nice colors. All the nice colors. Pick your pick. Hey, beautiful people. It's so good to see you guys. Happy Friday. So guys, this is going to be a mini vlog video. Just going to show you guys, I was hanging out at Target today because I needed to upgrade, guys. I had to find a way to store like my coffee pods instead of having them in the boxes. You know what I mean? You guys already know how I do it. I do it simply. Simply what? Welcome to Simply Natural Black's Life. Okay, I'm your host, Sonia, for all that you didn't know. But anyway, guys, yeah, I'm just tidying up my home as much as possible. Less is always more, right? You already know that. Less is more. And when you come over here, she's going to show you how less is more. So guys, yeah, I just went to Target today, in and out. I went to go grab a container so I can store those coffee pots. But in the meantime, we're going to go get those, we're going to go get the boxes right now. We're going to go ahead and get those right now as we speak, okay? We're going to get them out the cabinet. Well, out the closet. Beautiful things right here. Right here, right here. We're going to take these and we're going to go ahead, take them in the kitchen. Okay? Uh-oh. Let's pick this one up, though. One of them came out of the container. Okay? So we're going to pick these all up. And we're going to take these into the kitchen. And that is where we have our container stored. So we're going to do that. And you guys are going to do it with me. Okay? We're all going to do it together, okay? And I hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and come back for some more. So let's get ready to fill up our containers. I hope you guys enjoy this video, all right? And I'll see you in another video. I have a video coming soon that's going to be coming soon, and I want you to stay subscribed, okay? So you can enjoy that video that's going to be coming soon, all right? Let's go ahead and fill up our container, okay?